Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Authenticator and move accounts to new phone. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your new phone and open the App Store. For iPhone users, go to the App Store. For Android users, navigate to the Google Play Store. Search for Microsoft Authenticator in the search bar. Once you find the app, tap on Install to download it. After the installation is complete, open the Microsoft Authenticator app. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap on Add Account to start the setup process. Choose the account type you want to add, like work or personal. If you're transferring accounts from an old phone, select Scan QR code. On your old phone, open Microsoft Authenticator. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner and select Export Accounts. You may need to authenticate with your password or fingerprint. A QR code will appear on your old phone screen. Now, go back to your new phone and scan the QR code. Your accounts will automatically transfer to the new device. Once the accounts are added, confirm that they are functioning properly. To ensure everything is working, try logging into a service that uses the Authenticator. If you're satisfied, you're all set with the new phone. Remember to securely back up your old phone before deleting the app. With these steps, you've successfully installed Microsoft Authenticator and moved your accounts to your new phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.